Hi, this is Fardin Sami, and this is my course project for EECS1011. So, my system uses MATLAB and an Arduino compatible growth board that checks up on the soil moisture and control a water pump automatically and accordingly. I added a temperature sensor for additional operations, and let's get right into it. I'm going to explain how my course project meets all the course learning objectives. So for the CL01, here is my algorithm that operates really accurately, and it always comes back to the reading voltage and repeats the operation all the time. For the second learning outcome, I have used loops to continuously run the operation and some conditional statements to decide when to water the plant. In CL03, I used the M type of files in MATLAB and also used many helper functions and even ran some tests, and it all came right. CL04 is using the computing environment for engineering applications. I used MATLAB to create a real system that reads and controls the pump using state machine. In CL05, we got a live moisture graph using the moisture sensor control. Lastly, for CL07, I connected a soil moisture sensor and the temperature sensor to the Arduino, which sends back data to MATLAB, and then MATLAB processes this data and controls the water pump using a MOSFET system that is connected to the digital pins. So as you can see, this is my setup for the course project of EECS. So first things first, this is my laptop that is running the MATLAB code and everything, and it's connected to the Arduino board through this cable. So the Arduino kit basically runs all the program that I have put in. Basically, it is functioning on two sensors that I have connected. So the first and most important sensor would be the moisture sensor control, because we are taking all the data and readings from this specific sensor. Second of all is the temperature sensor that I used it for additional purposes for more observations, because during high temperature days the soil tends to dry up really fast and it needs more water than usual. So this is my water pump with the water reservoir, and this water pump is backed up by this MOSFET that is run by this 9-volt battery, and this is my plant basically, and the water pump takes water from this and pumps water straight here. When it senses the threshold is dry, it's gonna burst water, and when it's not dry, it's not gonna burst anything basically. But here is the code that I'm gonna run, but before running it, I'm gonna show you that the moisture sensor is out, so it should burst water into it. So let's run it. You see the water is coming out and all the stators are over here. Yeah, and let's put the sensor back in, and after that it's going towards the wet threshold. And this one right here is the temperature graph. If it goes above 30 degrees Celsius, then it's gonna burst for 3 more seconds, because during high temperature soil tends to dry up fast and needs more water. So this is the graph going on, and it's gonna update after like 55 seconds and give it another reading and do its work. And if I wanna turn it off by emergency, here's the button for it, the D6 button, and here you go, it turned off. Thank you.